We call it the Mac Daddy of sprayers. So this is Chapin's newest sprayer. It's called the Evolution. Comes automatically with the dripless wand. It's got a compressor-charged and a stainless steel body, so there's no Tri-Poxy coating. It's got a new style of tip, brass nozzle with a ceramic end to reduce any banding that you would get with Cure, so it doesn't spray too much on one side or the other, as well as our other cans that we've had. We're also breaking out into other sections of the market. So we have DIY irrigation, we have lawn and care products, as well as automotive. My name's Tim Breezoff. I'm with Chapin, and I work the Rockies, Idaho, Montana, and Utah. Yeah, we're super excited to be here at Demo Days. It's a good show every year for us, and you know, your customers pick up plenty of American branded Chapin cans.